What's up everybody, Babadees here. Do you want to know how to make these highly addictive, out of this world knuckle bagels? Let me show you how. Let's get started. What you're going to need for this recipe is pretty much warm water. You're going to go ahead and put your quick active rising yeast. We're going to need 2 teaspoons of that, 3 teaspoons of sugar, and you're going to wait about 5 minutes until you start to see it bubble and foam just like that. You're going to get 3 cups of flour. You can go ahead and use bread flour or regular flour. And we're going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. And you're going to go ahead and empty it all into your bowl with your warm water and your yeast and your sugar. Mix it up with your hand. Now, if you do have a mixer, you can go ahead and use that as well. Just make sure you put on that kneading hook attachment. But I like to do it the old-fashioned way, so I'm just going to pretty much do this all by hand. I'm going to knead my dough. In about 5 minutes or so of doing this, you'll see that it turns into a nice smooth ball. That's what you're looking for. Just like that. I'm going to put some olive oil right on top. Coat the top and the bottom. And then I'm going to put it back in my bowl and let it rest for about 20 minutes. Voila. It's in a double in size. Go ahead, take it out, cut it into 4 equal pieces. And we're going to turn them into balls and let them rest for about 5 minutes. We're going to start shaping them into long ropes and slowly start thinning them out just like that. They don't got to be perfect. We're going to get our baking pan, get some parchment paper, lay it down. And this is why we call them knuckle bagels. You're going to kind of make a knuckle while you're forming them, just like what I'm doing right there. I'll show it to you one more time. These don't gotta be perfect, so just let it be. Now we want to get our stove ready. Put a good amount of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're gonna set our oven at 400 degrees to preheat it, and we're gonna bring our boiling water to a simmer. Go ahead and put your bagel pieces in them. Get your bagel seasoning ready. I'm going with an everything bagel seasoning and also a sesame seed seasoning. You can do whatever you want. Go ahead and put them on and load that right up into the oven. You want to let it bake for 20 to 25 minutes at 400 degrees. Take them out and enjoy. Guaranteed to be a hit. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and make sure you follow me on all social platforms. Take care.